Easy way to install Java SDK version 20. Java SDK 20 was released on September 14, 2020. Let's look how to install Java SDK 20. Go to Google and search Java SDK download and press enter. Click on the link which points to the Oracle site. Click on JDK 20. Click on Windows tab. Click on link next to x64 installer. The JDK installation is currently in progress. Wait for it to download completely. Double-click on the .exe file you have just downloaded. Click Next. Click Next. Click Close. We have successfully installed Java SDK 20. Now we have to set an environment variable. For this, go to Search and type CMD and right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Then type set space JAVA_HOME. Then search for the default installation location of Java SDK. It is under C Program Files, Java. Open JDK 20 folder and copy the path of this installed path. Come back to Command Prompt and type equal and paste the path you have copied. Then press Enter. We have successfully set the environment variable. Now type Java-version and press Enter. Here you can see Java version 20 installed successfully. Now you can create a Java application on your system. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos.